Be sure to check out 4imprint.com to see these or any other products that you might be interested in.
Yep, absolutely. Oh.
No, too bad. It was like the train was going off the rails and I could not save it.
Hello everyone and welcome to Fresh Finds, where we're here to help you find interesting products that are great for your brand. I'm Jason.
And I'm Mariah, and today, first off, we have the Silicone Food Storage bag. This is a silicone food safe bag that would be great for people who are looking to reduce their waste, get away from using plastic or other disposable options.
My first thought when I was looking at these actually is there's no way that they're not gonna like spill, but this little thing that goes on the top here works great for sealing it, and it's super airtight and it keeps your food fresh for sure.
How does it handle liquids?
It's great. It doesn't spill. I actually tested it out with some liquids earlier and tipped it upside down and whatnot, and worked great.
Another notable thing about it is this little carrying loop, so if you did want to carry it externally on a bag, you can clip it on there.
Yeah, absolutely. And the imprint comes in a one-color imprint on the back, so brand's front and center. So next up we have the Comet Smartphone Wristband. These are pretty neat because I think one of my favorite things with this is the fact that these just silicone bands on here. They give you a nice secure fit with your phone, so when you're running, jogging, walking with the baby, with the stroller, whatever, you don't have to worry because your phone's gonna stay nice and snugly in there.
Yeah, and you can fit all kinds of different devices in there also, so you don't have to get hung up on, what phones your audience is gonna have or your intended customers are gonna have.
And as far as securing, it's hook and loop, so it's super adjustable, microfiber wristband, so it'll be nice and comfortable.
It's meant to be more of a wrist one, kind of like wristwatch area, so when you are out moving around, you can just take a quick glance down and keep an eye on your podcast or your playlist.
You can rotate it. It's not a full 360, but you can turn your phone to portrait, landscape, whatever you prefer, when you're out and about. Your imprint shows up right on the band as a one color imprint.
And last but not least, we have the Speech Bubble Light Box. I love this as a desk accessory, as like a little fun pop to your house or your desk or your dorm room.
Yep, absolutely. It has a dry erase front panel here. You can write whatever you want on here and it'll pop out real nice.
The marker is included and it has a felt tip for erasing, so that's nice. You don't have to worry about keeping a rag on hand or whatever.
And something with these markers, this is super in the background kind of a thing, but I thought it was really neat because when I was originally looking at these, we'd use the eraser a bunch, so it was all black and it used a bunch. You just flip it around and you got a nice clean eraser on the other side. Yeah, you're good to go.
And as far as the light up part, this is something that you can keep going as long as you would want to because the back has replaceable AAAs.
Yep.
So gives it a lot of longevity. Your imprint will be a one color on the top, so you can have it right in the open as it's sitting there. Plenty of brand exposure. Thanks again for joining us for this edition of Fresh Finds. Make sure to check out 4imprint.com for a lot more interesting products.
Yep, absolutely, Mariah, and make sure to check back next time for more Fresh Finds.